Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 2, Lesson 4. Our learning goal for today says, I can explain how to know if a shape is a hexagon or a circle. Okay, so today we're going to talk about two shapes, hexagons and circles. We need to figure out what they are so that we can know if a shape is one of those. So here we go. Let's talk about hexagons first. All of these shapes are hexagons. But they don't all look exactly the same, do they? Nope. You got to look really closely to see all the good details that make them hexagons. Let's check one out. This is a hexagon. Now, a hexagon has what kind of sides? Are they straight or are they curvy? Got that right. They're straight lines. Perfect. Let's go ahead and count all of the sides and see how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Every hexagon has 6 sides. And if there are 6 sides, remember I said before, if the two lines meet and they make that little pocket right there, that's a corner. So how many corners do you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey, that's 6 corners. So if I want to know if shape is a hexagon, I'm going to look for straight lines, check, 6 sides, check, and 6 corners, check. All right, let's look at this shape. Is this a hexagon? Let's see. Does it have straight lines? Yes. No curvies there. Ooh, does it have 6 sides? Go ahead and count, friend. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey, yeah, it does have 6 sides. Now, sometimes my friends get confused because some of these sides are very tiny. They still count. A side is a side. And how many corners do you see? Yep, I see 6 corners too. So friends, is this a hexagon? Yeah, it is a hexagon. Good job. What about this shape? Is this shape a hexagon? Okay, I hear you loud and clear. Yep, straight lines for sure. Ooh, what about 6 sides? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Does it have 6 sides? It doesn't have 6 sides. So is it a hexagon, friends? No, no way. This is not a hexagon. Perfect. All right, so we're going to do a little sort. On one side, it says hexagons. And on the other side, it says not a hexagon. Now, we know hexagons have to have straight lines, 6 sides, and 6 corners. So let's start with this first shape over here, shall we? All right, let me know. What do you think? Is it a hexagon or is it not a hexagon? I want you to decide and then say it out loud. Okay, ready? All right, if you need more time to figure it out, press pause. Okay, so here we go. It is a hexagon. Good job. What about this next shape up here? Ooh, that one's kind of wild. Press pause while you think about it and figure out if it's a hexagon or not. And press play when you're ready to check yourself. All right, ready? That's a hexagon too, yeah. It has all the things we talked about. Straight lines, 6 sides, and 6 corners. Ooh, what about this next shape? What do you think? Is that a hexagon? No way, that's not a hexagon. It only has 4 sides. Nope, that won't work. What about this next shape? Is that a hexagon, friends? No way. Why not? Yeah, you're totally right. It has only 4 sides. All right, our last shape. What do you think? Is that a hexagon? Did you figure it out? Yes, it is a hexagon. It has 6 sides, and straight lines, and 6 corners. Well done, friends. On the count of 3, we're going to give ourselves a super clap. That's just one really big, loud clap. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Because we did such an awesome job. All right, now our learning goal said we're going to talk about hexagons and circles. Let's talk about circles, shall we? These are all circles. What do you notice about the circles? Oh, yeah, good. You make excellent observations, friend. All right, circles. Well, what kind of lines do you see? You're right. They have a curvy line. It's one big old line, and it's very curvy. Circles are also very round. That means they go all the way around. They're not squishy. They're nice and big and wide. And then finally, there are no corners in a circle. Okay? So the curvy line helps it to not have any corners and make it nice and round. So if it has a curvy line, it's round, and there are no corners, it's probably a circle. All right, let's check some shapes. What do we think? All right, let's look at this shape. Kind of looks like a circle. Let's do our checklist. All right, does it have a curvy line? Yep, check. Is it round? Oh, I don't know. That doesn't look like the other circles. Nah, it's not round. It's too squishy. You see how it almost looks like it's like pulled out and stretched out, or it's kind of flat? Yeah, that makes it not a circle. Circles have to be nice and round and big. So I'm going to go with no, this is not a circle. This one's actually called an oval, friends. Now, deciding between ovals and circles can be pretty tricky, but we just want to use our best guess and look to see if it's smushy or if it's nice and round. If it's round, it's definitely a circle. All right, so what about this shape? Let's use our checklist. Does it have a curvy line? Yes. Check. Is it nice and round? Yes. Oh, check. One more. Does it have any corners? Nope, no corners. Check. So friends, is this a circle? Yes, it is. Yay, we're doing so well. All right, let's do our sort. All right, this first shape right over here. Does that look like a circle to you? It has a curvy line, but remember, it's not round. It's too smushy, so no, not a circle. What about this next shape? Do you think that's a circle? Yeah, it is a circle. You're right, friends. How did you know? Perfect. Yep, curvy line, nice and round, no corners. Ooh, what about this one, friends? Okay, did you decide? If you haven't, you can press pause and think about it for a minute, and then press play to check to see if you got it right. All right, this one is not a circle. Why not, friends? What gave it away? Yeah, it has corners, and it has a straight line. We know that that's definitely not a circle. What about this guy right here? Is he a circle? You're right, he is not a circle. For almost the same reason. He has that pointy corner right there, and it makes this a corner, and we know circles do not have corners. What about this one? Ding, 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 ding. Yep, he is a circle. He has a curvy line, he's nice and round, and there are no corners. Well, this is just perfect. You've been doing amazing today, which is awesome because our learning goal says, I can explain how to know if a shape is a hexagon or a circle. And you did fantastic with deciding if shapes were hexagons or circles today. All right, it's your turn. I want you to show me what you've learned. Right here is a picture of a circle. I want you to make a seesaw video and send it to your teacher, telling her why that is a circle. What are some things that you could say about it that make it a circle? All right, good luck, friends.